Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into a comprehensive guide on how to use Monday.com to track vendor performance. This is a great tool that can streamline and simplify your vendor management efforts, so let's get started. First up, log into your Monday.com account and navigate to your dashboard. This is your command center for all your projects. The reason we start here is because this is where you'll create the board for your vendor tracking. Now that we're on the dashboard, click on the New button at the top left and select Board. Name it something relevant like Vendor Performance. This helps us because we want to keep our data organized and easily accessible. Next, add columns to your board to track different aspects of your vendor's performance. You might want to include columns for vendor name, product quality, delivery time, and customer service rating. You can add these columns by clicking on the Add Column button on the right. The reason we do this is to capture all the relevant data for our vendors in one place. Now, let me explain why this matters. By tracking these specific performance metrics, you can easily identify which vendors are meeting your expectations and which need improvement. This also enables you to make informed decisions about which vendors to continue working with. Next up, we're going to set up automations. Click on the Automation button at the top of the board. You can select from a list of preset automations or create your own. For instance, you might set an automation to send you a notification if a vendor's product quality drops below a certain score. This helps us because it keeps us informed in real time about vendor performance, so we don't have to constantly check the board. The final step is to fill in the board with your vendors and their performance data. Click on each cell in your board to input the information. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. As you input data, Monday.com is automatically organizing and analyzing it, providing you with a clear, visual representation of your vendor performance. And there you have it. You've now set up a vendor performance tracking system on Monday.com. By following these steps, you're not just tracking vendor performance, you're creating a system that can help your business make informed decisions, improve vendor relationships, and ultimately boost your bottom line. Thanks for joining us today. Stay tuned for more tips on using Monday.com to streamline your business processes.